This weird guy walked onto the porch and stole random stuff. Spartanburg, South Carolina. Watch how this tagger ruins the door. He thought he was slick walking away under the camera. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. This guy actually went into a backyard just to steal a bike. I have no idea why this man needed a broom in the middle of the night. Athens, Georgia. This man was doing a lot of peeking, and this is exactly why you should always lock your car. New Bern, North Carolina. This man didn't want to be on camera, so he just stole the camera instead. Ocala, Florida. This woman was creeping around the house, peeking through the windows.
Can we help you?
Goldsboro, North Carolina. This woman was too stunned to speak, so she just stood there. Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Instead of going to the store for a new plant, this woman decided to steal one from someone's garden. Bowling Green, Kentucky. This guy thought it would be funny to pull a little prank on his friend.
What? Get me the fuck out.
They increased the time.
Get the fuck back in
I
here.
was too embarrassed to come
You're
back.
scaring me. Why the fuck are you wearing that flesh shirt?
Rogers, Arkansas. This strange man was hugging a tree with a flashlight in someone's garden. Concord, North Carolina. Yet another reminder why you should always lock your car. Macon, Georgia. This strange man was caught trespassing in someone's backyard.
Boy, he had a back porch thing down there.
Naples, Florida. These guys were caught stealing a chair from a construction site. Auburn, Alabama. This man was caught stealing a jerry can full of gasoline from someone's boat. Port St. Lucie, Florida. Yet another person caught peeking into cars for no reason. He even tried to open them. Jonesboro, Arkansas. This confused man wandered onto the porch looking for something to steal, but he didn't find anything. Gulfport, Mississippi. This young guy went down the street trying to open almost every car. Dalton, Georgia. This guy climbed over the fence only to find nothing. Sumter, South Carolina. This guy was caught trying to open car doors but walked away as soon as he saw the cameras. Lakeland, Florida. This guy was determined to trespass and make his way to the house. Jacksonville, North Carolina. This man thought it was a good idea to smoke a cigarette in someone's front yard. Rock Hill, South Carolina. This could have gone horribly wrong. Be careful with random people firing bottle rockets. Cape Coral, Florida. This guy decided to take a rest on the porch of a random house. Warner Robins, Georgia. Watch how this confused man ended up stranded in a random backyard and stole a bike while he was there. Stewart, Florida. These boys were caught on multiple cameras while trying to tag a wall. Greenville, South Carolina. These days, you even have to keep an eye on your flowers, or someone will steal them. Clarksville, Tennessee. No idea why this guy thought it was a good idea to do a quick ding-dong ditch. Albany, Georgia. This woman was caught stealing a toolbox in broad daylight. Kissimmee, Florida. This man walked into the garage, stole a bike, and rode off with it. Florence, South Carolina. Looks like even a huge fence won't stop people from peeking into your backyard. Gainesville, Florida. It really looks like she is lost and tried to peek through the window. Now let's watch some porch pirates, starting off with Eugene, Oregon. This Amazon delivery driver stole the same package he had dropped off just 10 seconds earlier. Talladega, Alabama. She was in a hurry, but still took the time to steal a packet. Fayetteville, North Carolina. Another porch pirate caught trying to hide the parcel. Biloxi, Mississippi. He thought pulling his hoodie up would keep him from being caught. Johnson City, Tennessee. Looks like this man was truly caught red-handed by the owner.
About to literally ring your doorbell, be like, give it to your neighbor. Like, you are so welcome.
Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This man grabbed himself a big package to unbox for later. Dalton, Georgia. This guy acted like nothing was happening and stole the package. Florence, South Carolina. He tried to play it cool, but instantly dropped the package. Rome, Georgia. She thought pulling up her shirt would keep her from getting caught. Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Another guy acting like nothing happened while stealing someone else's package. Hickory, North Carolina. This woman stole a package without a hint of shame. Ocala, Florida, another quick package steal. Goldsboro, North Carolina. He even parked his bike just to steal this package. Spartanburg, South Carolina. As you can see, this man was on a roll. He had already taken multiple packages. Rogers, Arkansas. Another shameless thief. A quick in and out. Billings, Montana. I don't know why someone would want a package so badly that they'd look like this while stealing it. Santa Barbara, California. He walked with confidence, clearly not his first time stealing packages. Erie, Pennsylvania. The urge was so strong that he opened the package right on the porch and left it there when he didn't like what was inside. Flagstaff, Arizona. Another girl slipped it into her handbag like it was hers all along. Bismarck, North Dakota. She showed up fast and ran away even faster. Charleston, West Virginia. This girl went through a lot of effort just for one package.